Electric cooktop burner not heating up? On an electric cooktop, there are two main components per burner, the radiant element under the glass and the infinite switch that controls it. One of them has failed. If the burner doesn't heat at all, either the element is burned out or the switch is bad. A tech tests both with a multimeter to determine which one. Element replacement runs 150 to 300 depending on the brand and burner size. Switch replacement is 100 to 200. If the burner is stuck on high, the infinite switch has shorted. It's sending continuous power to the element regardless of the knob position. Turn off the breaker immediately and call for repair. Running a stuck-on element is a fire risk. If the burner heats unevenly, part of the element has failed. You'll see some zones glowing red and others staying dark. The element needs replacing. Glass cooktop cracked. If the glass surface is cracked, the entire glass top needs replacement regardless of whether the elements work. A cracked surface is a safety and electrical hazard. Glass top replacement runs 300 to 700 depending on the brand. Brands like GE, Samsung, LG, Whirlpool, and Frigidaire all use similar radiant element designs. Viking, Wolf, and Thermador induction cooktops use different technology, induction coils instead of radiant elements. Induction repairs are more specialized and cost more. Electric cooktop repair. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.